Hey guys, this is Simon with Trade and Perform Coaching. I'm doing the trade review of the levels that I post in the room every day. And so these were today's levels for ES, and we'll do NQ in just a second. And what am I trying to teach? I'm just trying to teach the basic idea in day trading that location matters, right? So what you've seen me do is strip this chart down to its basics, right? I've taken out the point of control, which was sitting roughly right here. I've taken out value area high and value area low, which was rough. This is roughly value area low, and this is roughly value area high, and I've taken it out, right? Why? Because that's the hardest place to trade on a chart. And what I want to show is the opportunity or the ability of trading at location offers, right? So first of all, important to remember, I encourage my members to take, and my trading clients to take notes. This is what open drive looks like yesterday, right? So this is the open drive from yesterday. This, right? This is an anomaly that was left behind on yesterday's profile. Right in here, if you want to know what an anomaly is, Mind Over Markets by Dalton, highly recommend it. So when I came in today, right, we opened up at the point of control, chopped around, right, horrible place to trade, and pushed up into the yellow zone, which I posted 42.12. I'm not sure if I posted it on Twitter or if I put it on the Slack channel, but 42.12 to 42.18 is resistance, right? So look at what the market did. It pushed up into the anomaly, consolidated, found responsive sellers, and then they pushed all the way through prior day's value area, through the point of control, and where I would have liked to have gotten long would have been right in here. Now, that didn't work out for me, right? It didn't get down there, and I don't care. I just want to know where that key area is so I can trade. So really all you need to know was this is resistance today, and if you sold, you're long, right? Or you shorted and you targeted down here, you did quite well, right? It's 42.12 to 96, right? Hypothetically, if you shorted exactly 42.12.50 and you pushed all the way down to 96, that's 16 and a half points or $750 a contract on ES. It's great money, right? That's nothing to be upset about. If you stayed out of the point of control area, you didn't get chopped. If you stayed out of value area, you didn't get chopped. There was really just one location from a location concept or idea today. And if you took it, you got paid. That's all there is to it. And if you got paid, I'm happy for you, right? That's the entire goal of trading, is finding location. And then what we do in the room is a much more specialized version of getting the setup where we can pinpoint for leverage purposes our entries, exits, and stops. So let's go do NQ really quick because it's the same essential idea. This is my deconstructed chart, right? So what this means, right, is that normally here, I'll draw it out real quick. There's value area high was about right here. Value area low was about right here. The point of control was about right here. And that's about what the day looked like, right? So mainly what I want to keep in my mind's eye is this is a harder place to trade. Above and below value tend to be easier places, particularly for contra trades, right? So when I come in and look at the day, right, the day started right here, 6-2, right? We opened inside the prior day's point of control, right? We opened inside the prior day. And I want to know this because I want to know how the mechanics are going to work. If you're going to predict a move, you got to have an idea of what the move is going to look like, right? Open up the prior day's control, push to the yellow zone. Again, I posted these last night, right? Into the yellow zone, tagged once, tagged twice. It would break out with what I call an orthodox close above, right? Close above, hopefully you get a backside test to push up into here. That didn't happen, right? Failure to get above, they couldn't find buyers. What did they do? They had to come back. Traded all the way through value area, right? Remember the guy who went long at the point of control early in the day, thought he was pretty smart, got kiboshed over here, right? And then we came underneath value. We couldn't quite make the stretch. It did set up long here via head and shoulders, just from a pattern. I would just call this a pattern without location, right? Just dipped underneath value. It's late in the day, found responsive buyers, and they pushed back to the mid. And my guess is we'll make it back up here at some point tonight, right? And we're still in balance. So what's the point of all this? The point of all this is, do I have more complex techniques for entering a trade? I do. But even if I'm entering the trade on a micro basis, I want to have a very clear idea of where the rest of the market is looking for both targets, right, and resistance. I still know if I get in here tonight, I don't trade at night, but if I was trading overnight, I'd want to be long there, right? I think that's going to be a good long position with dippy underneath. I'd be willing to literally bet money if I was up and around that if I could push in here, my goal today was to get into this, get long, and push back where? Back to the prior day's point of control. It makes a great target. It makes a horrible place to trade. It just didn't have enough energy to get down there. It's light volume, and they push back to the point of control. What I'm discussing here is the backbone of how the market operates. If you don't understand this, it's very hard to go into scalping techniques or smaller techniques and turn those small scalp trades into large profitable trades, which is the entire goal of the room. So anyways, my name is Simon. I'm with TRADEnPERFORM Coaching. If you'd like to join us in the room, my email is TRADE, the letter N as in Nancy, PERFORM, at gmail.com. I've been trading for 30 years. I've been coaching people on how to become a profitable trader since 2014. If you'd like to visit to the room, send me an email, right? Ask for either a 3-day pass, or if you'd like to talk about one-on-one coaching or joining the room, let me know. We can jump on Skype at some point and see if there's a fit for you. At any rate, and a fit for me as well. So anyways, have a wonderful day. I hope everyone did well. Looking forward to getting paid again tomorrow. Have a great night, guys.